Happy Sunday. You are live. I just got my order in this week, and so I wanted to go through and show you guys what I got in my loyalty rewards order for the month of March. Now, March was a promo month, so there was lots of free things that you can snag up, and it is not too late to still take advantage of the 200 PV free deep blue oil and free deep blue rub with a order of 200 points or more. So I just wanted to show you what I got. I did place a 200 PV order so that I could get those things for free. But as always with a loyalty program, you can order as little as one item a month and you can cancel at any time, and you do not have to be committed to ordering every month. You just get lots of free perks if you do order. So I'm going to dive right in. First things first, this is always the first thing in my order. Is to get the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So this is the supplements that James and I take every single day. This is the full bottles. And so for one person taking a full dose, this is a 30-day supply. You get all of your omegas, you get all of your essential nutrients, and tons and tons of great benefits. I've got some graphics in my private group that talks about all of the benefits of these oils and these supplements and all the things that you get from it. When you order the pack, they also have little individual packets. You can buy that option as well, that comes with the supplements you need for the day and a little individual pack. So they're great to take on the go. Either way, if you get this pack or you get the individuals, you can actually add on up to 3 other supplements that doTERRA has specified for a super reduced price. So this month I didn't order any of those add-ons because we stocked up a couple months ago with them, and I'm still working through that supply. But if you want, they have the Terrazyme, which is the digestive enzymes. They have the probiotics, which are really good. Double encapsulated to help make sure that the probiotics actually make it to where they're supposed to, unlike most of the normal probiotics on the market. You can get Mito 2 Max, which is for energy and stamina. You can get deep blue polyphenols for pain and discomfort. You can get the children's supplements, so the omegas for the kids and the A to Z chewables for the kids. And then I think the other 2 options are that you can get these 2 parts as a $20 add-on to the box. So lots of good options, and we typically have always stocked up with them, but I ordered a whole bunch one month, and so I don't need them this month, so I just got the pack. So we will be taking these every day like we always do. The next thing that I needed to restock on was shampoo. So we go through not more than normal shampoo amounts, but I always like to keep them on hand. I have some company coming in April, which I'm so excited about. And so I just wanted to make sure that I had enough shampoo in the guest bathroom and to refill our bottle here. So you can get the 2-pack at a super discount as well. And so I went ahead and snagged, they're basically like 2 bottles for the price of like 1 1/4 bottle. So it makes it a really good deal if you get the 2-pack. So that's what I did, so I can replace both the bathrooms. I've already got lots of conditioner because I stocked up on conditioner last month. So that is the shampoo. I love this shampoo. It is safe on color treated hair. It has wild orange and lime, so it smells really good, really refreshing. Has lots of good oils and really good support. It is also really good for dandruff, any dry skin, scalp issues. These are great options for that. Let's see, let's go with this option next. So toothpaste, this is the On Guard toothpaste. So we use this every single day. James and I both use it, and so I needed to stock up and get another one because we're running low. It is a natural whitening toothpaste, and it is flavored with the On Guard blend. So it's kind of a cinnamon, clove, wild orange, really refreshing, and I definitely have really grown to love it, and now we will not go without it. Let's go with this next. So I needed another tube of Correct-X. I'm finding that just having the 1 tube in my purse typically Doesn't allow for me to have it around the house when I need it. James and I can't both have one at the same time, and so I snagged another tube of Correct-X. So it comes in this little box, but it looks like this. So this is basically your natural Neosporin. It's going to give you all of the good ointment, very soothing. It is made with, there's 5 different essential oils. So there's frankincense, helichrysum, cedarwood, melaleuca, and lavender in here. Really good for skin repair, really good for cuts, scarring. I love it on dry, chapped lips. Really good for that option. So it is just an essential ointment, works to help replace that, fights any bacteria that might be in those cuts. And so the glare is kind of hard to see, but it comes in this tube and super easy to apply. So I just snagged another one of those. Next is, we seem to be buying this frequently right now, but we have found that we really love the HD Clear line. So this is the current and probably going to be long-standing face wash of choice for both James and I, which is why we've got one in the shower, we've got one by the sink, and then one in our go bag. So this will be just another replacement to refill. This is the HD Clear Foaming Face Wash, and then you also, if you buy, I bought the combo pack because it's much cheaper to just buy the combo pack with all 3, because it's cheaper for 3 parts than to get like 2 parts. So buying it separately is a little more money unless you're only needing to replace 1 part, but I typically just get the 3-pack and get it all at once. So it comes with the foaming face wash. It comes with the facial lotion, which is really good for dry skin. I like to add a drop of yarrow palm or frankincense, some really good oils for skin support to that. And then you also get the HD Clear roller. So this is the topical blend, really good for spot treatment. I kind of use it sometimes just like all over my whole face for prevention. Really good for that. So we have been loving it, and I'm actually going to show you guys shortly, not today, but sometime coming up, how to do a fun DIY with an empty one. So I've got an empty one here. You can see that we used up. I'm going to show you how to do a fun DIY with it, and I'll actually give you a sneak peek of a recipe if you wanted to make your own HD Clear Foaming Face Wash with the HD Clear oil. So that will be something that you can use to refill an old bottle if you run out and don't want to buy another. Or I'm actually going to show you how to make a different foaming soap on the go. So that will be coming soon with the HD Clear Foaming Pump. And last but not least is all the oils I needed to get. So typically I haven't had to get a lot of oils recently between BOGOs going on and us kind of stockpiling when we order oils. We haven't needed to replace a lot of oils in our house. But, that happens. We go through things, we use things up. So the first thing, just want to make sure this is both of them. Yes. So I had to refill on lemon. Lemon is something that we use a lot in our house, and it is perfect this time of year. So you can see I already had to break into this one because I couldn't wait. But lemon is the thing that we use to clean our fruits and vegetables. So if you've got fresh fruits and vegetables, just put them in the sink with some water and add a couple drops of lemon or lime. Any of the citruses really, but my preferred is lemon, to the water to help pull out all of the nasty bacteria, clean them, sanitize, all of the things. And so I needed to restock on lemon because I was down to like just a little bit left in my bottle. So I actually got 2 just so that I wouldn't run out. So lemon is a great thing. Also good for in your water for detox, cleansing, gut support. And then the last thing, the reason I really needed this right now is I'm going to make a seasonal threats roller. And so our pollen is flowing through the air in Texas right now. And it is literally like my car is yellow. My typically silver car is yellow from the amount of pollen that is floating in the air and landing all over our cars. So lots of pollen, lots of flowers, and everything is blooming, and it's beautiful, but it really helps activate all of those things in my sinuses that don't enjoy it. So I'm going to make a roller with lavender, lemon, and peppermint. That's the seasonal trio. So if you are interested, equal parts lavender, lemon, and peppermint, you can do it in a roller. You can do it topically with just the oil and some coconut oil, or you can diffuse the three together. Equal parts, your choice how strong you want it, 2, 3, 4 drops, or look at a dilution chart for a roller recipe. So that is a great option. So I restocked on lemon. I also needed to restock on both pink pepper and black pepper. So these are in my veggie cap I take every morning. So I used to do individual drops, like 2 of each drop, but since then I have made a big bottle. So I took an empty bottle of frankincense and then I just put in equal parts of all of the oils that I use. And so when I did that, I used up the pink pepper and black pepper that I had. So these are replacements of those. Both are very good for cleansing, supporting your body. Pink pepper is really good for helping to help your body through the apoptosis process. So that is killing off all those bad cells that are possibly damaged, and we don't want to recreate damaged cells in our body. So that really helps with that process. And I also just think they both smell good, and you can use them both in cooking. So they're a little bit different, obviously, between the two of them, but having them both on hand is really good. If you're doing the Skinny Jean Challenge, these are both in the Skinny Jean Challenge. So check out that graphic if you need that information. And last but certainly not least, we have all the freebies that I got this month. So for placing a 200 PV order, this month you're going to get the free Deep Blue Rub and the free bottle of Deep Blue Oil. So these together are, I think James did the math, a $67 value for free just for ordering a 200 PV order. So that is awesome. We have been going through Deep Blue a ton. I had a back spasm a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I think 2 weeks ago. And so we went through a lot of Deep Blue, helping to help with the pain, help with that discomfort while my body healed. And so this is something that we've been going through a lot of. We actually have the little tiny bottle that we have been cutting to get the inside all used up. So I'm glad I got a free replacement for Deep Blue Rub. Deep Blue Oil we just layered underneath the rub to help magnify it and get the properties of both of them. So this is an awesome oil for that support. It's right here on the shelf too. And then for ordering a loyalty rewards order of 125 PV before the 15th of the month, doTERRA always does a free product of the month. So the free product of the month this month is lemongrass. Really good for helping to process your body with getting rid of emotions that are hard and detaching from things. Also really good for cleansing. It's a really good for a surface spray, really good in the diffuser. I think it just smells really good. I like to do it with like a tangerine or a citrus oil like that, maybe spearmint or peppermint. So this is great. And this was free just for ordering 125 PV. So hop on, get yourself a 200 PV order this month and get this for free. If you don't know how to do it, reach out. And if you don't have access to doTERRA at all and you don't have anyone else helping you, you can get started with a order or a kit of 200 PV this month, and you can also get these for free. So if you've got any pain, discomfort, swelling, inflammation, any of those things that your body is working on recovering from, these are really good to help support your body in the process. If you are interested, I am doing a pain class on natural solutions and pain and discomfort this Thursday at my home. So let me know if you want to come to that. I will post the link. I'll try to post the link in the comments for those of you on my team, and those of you that are interested in oils, jump on that class and come on over. I will serve dinner and you'll get to help your body process these things that we all go through from time to time. So I hope you have a good Sunday, and I can't wait to see you guys on Thursday.